Welcome! If you're tired of random strangers adding you to group chats on Instagram, you're not alone. It can be annoying, distracting, and sometimes even a little unsettling. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop strangers from adding you to group chats on Instagram with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your main feed, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to head over to your profile page. Next, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and find the option labeled Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it to access your messaging preferences. Inside this menu, you'll see an option called Message Requests. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you can control who's allowed to send you messages and add you to group chats. Look for the section that says Messages Instagram and tap on it. Then find the setting labeled Who can add you to group chats. By default, Instagram might allow anyone to add you to group chats, but you can change this. Simply select the option that says Only people you follow on Instagram. This means only the accounts you choose to follow will be able to add you to any group chats, blocking everyone else from sending those unwanted invites. Once you've made your selection, you can exit the settings. That's it. Your changes are saved automatically. Now you can enjoy Instagram without worrying about being added to random group chats by strangers. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these steps again and choose a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your social media experience safe and enjoyable. See you in the next video.